Zen Business Review 2023. Do not buy it before watching this. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Zen Business and how you can actually go ahead and use Zen Business for yourself in the easiest, most simplest way possible, and how this incredible business handling application can help you run a business with the proper platforming and a whole lot more. So you can start and grow your business in the easiest way with different kinds of things like email marketing, and you can use it as a great LLC package for yourself. And it's the best LLC service for any business, in my opinion. Okay, so. And if you don't know what an LLC is a limited liability company. Okay, it offers three different plans to this corporation. Now, the plans are the free plan, which is pretty much, it's free. So you can file in 2 to 3 weeks. You have standard LLC filing and you have 100% accuracy guaranteed. You can also get worry-free compliance for a year. You get operating agreement, their fastest filing speed and all these things. So pretty amazing stuff. So I'm gonna simply go ahead and start now with the $0 registration, and here you can see ready to get started. First, we'll ask you a few questions about you and your actual business, and then we can recommend the right products and services to help set you up for success. So here's how it works. You're going to share information about your business, learn about LLC requirements, see recommended products, and then review the checkout. So first, let's confirm your business details. Before we file your information, we'll do a comprehensive check to make sure your business name is available. So enter your business name. I'm going to go with, my business name over here. So I'm just going to add John Store. Formation state. Basically, this is your required state filling fee. Okay, and you're going to need to choose your state. Whatever your state is, I'm going to go with my state. Once you do that, simply click on next. Now, how much experience do you have running a business? So if you have none, go with none. If you have some, go with some. If you have lots, go with lots. Whatever works with it, you're going to go with it. So will your business have employees in the first year? I'm going to go with no, just me for now. Will your business address be from home? I'm going to go with a yes. How far along is your business? I'm going to go with already making money. What are your business goals? I'm going to go with side business. What kind of business are you forming? So you can add in your industry. I'm going to go with advertising. And once you do that, click on next. Do you want to save your progress? So I'm going to go ahead and save the progress and continue. Then you can save your progress by adding in a name. You're going to add in an email and everything to, set yourself up. And you can enter a phone number as well. Make sure to enter a valid phone number that you can properly add. So there you go. There's your phone number. Simply then click on next. Once you do that, it says appoint your state required registered agent. You can actually do that for yourself. You can appoint Zen Business as your registered agent, or you can appoint your own registered agent. So simply, I'm going to go with whatever you want. And once you do all of that, I'm going to click on next. Now it says stay in good standing with worry-free compliance. So I'm going to go with no, I'll handle it myself. You can handle it yourself if you want to. And then it gives you all of these business documents that you want to go with. You can add an operating agreement, but obviously these are for money, so you can go ahead and do these if you want to, but be prepared to add the price for this. So you can also get a rush LLC filing, which is basically quick LLC filing. So once you do all of that, it starts reviewing your info. You can see all the things about your info. So if you think everything is fine, you're going to click on continue. And then finally, here's your order because, you have chosen the starter LLC. Once you choose the starter LLC, you get the Ohio filling fee, which is basically your state's filling fee. So you're going to add the state filling fee and then you're going to continue to payment. And that will basically set you up with Zen Business. Now, once you're set up with Zen Business, let's actually talk about how Zen Business actually works. And, what the whole idea and what the whole buzz about Zen Business is, So let's go into Zen Business's main lookout and start talking about the features that it provides a person. So here we go on Zen Business. I'm gonna go on start and grow your business over here, and here you can see you can actually plan and start your working from here. So you get your business planning where you can take the first steps towards turning your idea into business. Then there's different types of brandings that you can brand your business. You have banking and finance, You can run and grow your business in different ways by staying compliant. Taxes and accounting are included, and you can actually grow your business in the proper, efficient way. And they also give you like reasons and portfolios and use cases on why Zen Business is pretty useful for you. So, you can see how they're different and all. But when it comes to an overall review of this program, Zen Business basically specializes in business formation services. Although it is a pretty relatively new company, it does surpass its competition with low price plans and high quality customer service. Okay. So, these things are not to be taken lightly. It offers three different plans to help you start a limited liability company or corporation. In addition to its company formation services, it also offers a number of company formations. So the pros for, using Zen Business would be that you get free company formation service. Just paying your state fee is what you need. Then you get wide variety of services for new and established businesses. Excellent customer support for track record is available. You get really strong customer reviews. You get registered agent service, okay? And the website builder feature is really special and robust as well. So, Zen Business is an incredible online provider of business registration and other services that you can get. This is invaluable as new businesses all need to register their businesses, create a website, and take care of their finances from banking to taxes. And Zen Business makes it quite easy for businesses to handle all of this under one umbrella. This can save a lot of business time and money. And, some of the service offerings, though, are lacking compared to their other providers. It does specialize in those areas highly. And, Zen Business works with their top best LLC services, and it includes affordability, ease of use, and its unique offerings. So the company offers three plans, as I told you. So it starts at 0, goes to $199, and then goes to $349 per year, plus your state filling fees. Now the services come from, your business formation to name reservation services to worry-free compliance service, operating agreements, registered agent services, EIN registration, faster filing speeds, business license reports, amendment fillings, and a whole lot more. And then the basic pricing and plans are, first of all, $0. Then you get the pro plan, premium plan. So really easy to get your head around all of this. And you can all obviously add your main add-ons to all of this as well, because it's really easy to work with this in a very business working way. So yeah, that's the easiest, most simplest method that I can actually explain LLC and Zen Business to you. So yeah, that was the in general review of how LLCs can be used with each other. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making more for you. Till then, that's all from me. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.